Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Shopify store. So you cannot fully reset the Shopify store with just a one button click. There is no button where you can just go and click as example on settings and try to reset your store just like that. So there are two ways to do it, or two options to do it. The first option, and it is the best way I guess, and it's pretty manual. Basically you'll have to delete everything yourself. You can start as an example by products. You can go to the list panel, click on products here. You'll find all the products that you have. Just click on the products that you want to delete. Go to the top right, more actions, and here you can click on delete products. Or you can even archive them if you want to keep them for later. Also orders, if you want to cancel any orders as an example, because you cannot fully delete them or archive them. Also customers, you can go to the left panel, click on customers, delete any customers that you have. And then you can reset the theme. So you can go on the left panel again, click on online store, and here you'll find yourself on themes. From here as example, you can go and try to go to the top right as example option, import theme, and all you need to do is just click on visit theme store. And from here you can click on view all, look for the free ones, and simply just go and start with a new theme. You can use that and you will reset your theme here as well. Of course, once you choose the theme, make sure to publish it instead of your current theme. If you want the cleanest reset, it's basically by creating another store. You can go to your Shopify admin panel and go to settings at the bottom left. And from here, make sure to go to plan. If you have any active plan right here, make sure to cancel that plan. Now you can go to my store at the top right corner, and from here you'll find all stores option. Click on create a new store and basically go through creating the new store over and over. You've done it before, so it will be easy this time. But you'll have to keep in mind that you will use products, customers, orders, apps, and settings. Everything that you did before will be lost because this is a new store. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.